Alright, today we're going to make our polar bear in the North Pole with the northern lights. And we're going to start with the white paper. We need a black oil pastel, a white oil pastel. We need some watercolor, water, and a paintbrush. So we're going to start by drawing our polar bear first. And we're going to start with his nose. We're going to go right in the middle. And we're going to go ahead and just make a circle for his nose, and then I want you to color it in with your black oil pastel, and then we're going to make a circle around the nose. And now we're going to make a bigger circle around the nose, and that's his head. We can add his eyes. They're kind of an oval shape. Now if you'd like to add eyelashes here, you can do that. You can add a few eyelashes if you want yours to be a girl polar bear, or you can just leave it. We're going to come up here and add some semicircles to be ears. So I'm going to add one and then a little one inside of it. On the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. One and a semicircle inside of it. Okay, we're going to go to the bottom now, and we're going to make his feet. And the feet are just two semicircles that are at the bottom. Two semicircles, one on each side of the paper. We'll add his toes by just adding two little lines in there. Alright, we're going to make his body, and when we make his body, we're going to start at 1 foot. We're going to circle around his head without touching it, and then come down to the other foot. Alright, here we go. We're going to go up, circle around, and back down. There's his body. Alright, we got to make his belly, and we're going to make another rainbow shape right here. We're going to start at this foot, rainbow shape up to his other foot. Alright, we're going to make the ground down here. We're just going to draw a line across it, but when we draw the ground, do we draw on top of our art? No, we want the line to go behind our art. So when we get to our art, we're going to stop. We're going to lift up till we get to the other side, and then we're going to draw again until we get to our art. Then we stop. We have an imaginary line that goes behind it, and then we finish the other side. Awesome. Okay, we're done with our black oil pastel. We're going to use our white now to add a little bit of snow and ice to the ground. So we're going to start at the bottom, and I just want you to scribble-ish where the ground is. Don't color on your polar bear, and this doesn't have to be perfect. I know you can't see it because it's white, but here in a little bit when we paint it, it will show up. Alright, and now we want to go to the top, and I want to add some polka dots to look like snow falling. And the best way to do that is to push down with your oil pastel and twist, kind of hard. Push down and twist. And we're just going to put them all over. Don't put them on your polar bear, just put them where the sky is. Push down and twist. Alright, well let's start painting now. So we're going to take our paintbrush. Now our paint already has water in it, so we do not have to add water to our paint. The only thing you're going to use the water for is to wash your brush. So I'm going to start and put a little bit of blue down here. I don't want to paint a lot at the bottom because it's supposed to be ice, but I'm just going to put a little bit. Oop. So it looks like it's kind of frosty and cold. Alright, so now we're going to go up to the sky, and we're going to paint all different colors. All purple and pink and blue. But we're not going to paint on our polar bear. We're only going to paint the sky. So you can start at the top or the bottom, whichever you want, and pick your color. And we're going to just start putting some colors on there There's no wrong way of doing this. Just put colors all over. You can color it one or paint it one color or lots of colors. We're going to add all different colors. All right, make sure you rinse your brush off in between. I'm going to kind of get this pink now. It's my alarm. Add some pink to it. Y'all can put whatever colors you want. And you'll notice that the snowflakes will start showing up because they're magic. Just put whatever colors you want all over. Oops, get it on your polar bear like Miss Honey did. If you do, we can just wash it off real fast. Alright, and then we're going to take this to the drying rack and let it dry.